And the cool thing to do, watch and learn everyone, is speed run. I just want to play something else. Fuck Mateo. I know. Maybe try again tomorrow? We'll try again tomorrow. I think we're gonna try that every day. I think we're gonna try every day. For now, we're gonna play a commando run. Just to wind down. Just to wind down from all the nonsense and bullshit fuckery. We're gonna play one commando run. Okay? It's taking both mine and your mental health? That's possible, huh? It's actually not, like, affecting me, like, that much. It's just, like, I don't mind losing so much. We're playing one commando run. Just to get a feel for what items are like. Oh! Yeah, that felt fucking great. It's not a bad feeling. I'll say it. This is wind down o'clock. Alright, I'm allowed to moan. I'm allowed to do whatever I want. God, it feels so good. It feels so good to get feels so good to get items. Come on, honey. Take a medkit. Oh baby, you're not gonna know what hits you when I get a good item. You're not gonna know. It's over. Come on, dude. Whatever. Who needed that? Who fucking needed that anyways? Don't let him get a credit card. Yes, dude. Fuck yeah. What a phenomenal feeling. Dude, I get a credit card in me, I'll actually fucking lose my mind. I'll fucking squeal like a pig. I don't give a shit. I'll do whatever it takes to get me a credit card. Popu, you hearing me? Huh? Look, dude. Grenade nuts. Grenades have made contact with the nutsack. Oh, Pauldron. I want fucking Cloud 9. Cloud a billion. Oh, what? Is that a sticky bomb attached to you? AKA an item? Imagine killing enemies with fucking items. What a great feeling. Ah, die! A double jump? Inconceivable. Well, we go take a looky-loo up that direction. Feels like a pretty damn good idea, if you ask me. Oh, just kidding. We're actually just gonna fight the boss. Oh my god. This is the best day. You know what they say, dude? Diamonds made under pressure. That's me right now. I'm a fucking diamond. The same hot water that boils, that softens a potato, hardens an egg, huh? You ever heard that old proverb? Yeah, well, I'm the hard egg right now. Alright? What a great life I live. Bang. Oh, it's fine. I don't care. Don't know how little I care about anything other than speed? Fuck. No! How much is enough? I always make the mistake of just like getting all of the speed in the entire world. The feeling is like what I imagine. Like it's just like imagine like doing heroin. That's how I feel. Damage and on-hit items would just be like just dumb as fuck right now. Other than the single sticky bomb carry. What the fuck was that snipe, huh? Oh, I do no damage, right? It's kind of worrisome actually. I do need damage like now. I'll take speed, huh? Consolation prize. Love it. Should be $4 more. Oh, good. I wasted all my fucking money on a polyp. Oh, fuck. I want all of those items. What a gamble. Amazing, amazing gamble that we just did. Okay. Why don't we give me a card there, Buster? Huh, babe? Oh. Oh. We're strong now. We're strong now. You been playing in the background, so distracting. I don't know what to tell you. Get fucked. Whoops. We're gonna go and do this thing. Stage 3 Imp Overlord? Remember when this guy used to be like a problem? He's so terrified. Jeez Louise, dude. I have just this air of confidence right now. Alright, more speed. More speed. Always more speed. I'll gift a sub. Deal. I'll do Spanish Duolingo. You gift a sub. That's a handshake agreement. Because Duolingo's free and I can do it on the computer, yeah? Feeling pretty fucking mighty fine. Just got done getting my ass kicked like a million times over. Playing without any items. And so I decided to do one cooldown run where I go back to having items. And it feels pretty fucking awesome to like do damage and attack. And it, oh my god! Could it get any better? Oh my god, look at my missiles. They look so sexy. Yeah, I'm trying to do this, like, beat the game without any items, which is proving to be really fucking difficult. We'll get there in due time. Alright, how much is this? $3,000? Two completely different games, genres, but I don't have a favorite. Uh-oh. He said, I read games, okay? I'm quick. I'm reading, like, light speed. It's hard, okay? Genre and games, they look similar at, like, a glance, alright? It's not that crazy, alright? Hold your horses. Ooh. I'm doing nachos. I'm doing nachos and steak. Like, nachos with, like, little bits of steak in it. That's what I thought. Couldn't tell. Fuck off. What the hell is that? This is crazy. What a terrible boss design. Items, baby. Items me up. Now we should just get way more missile procs. That's fantastic news. Holy items on this stage. Don't cease. Straight awesome that I got this boss, huh? One of the coolest things ever. Like, items just make your run. It's the most important thing, I think. Like, over time, over fucking over everything. Collect everything. Oh, plimp. Give me a plimp. You want to so bad. Fuck it. I'm taking it. I might have just thrown, but there is a, like, 0.2% chance that I just made an awesome decision there. Because if it gets rid of, like, my fungus, or it gets rid of my bear, that sucks. And I got a leeching seed and a lepton daisy. Oh, fuck off. Raincoat does nothing for me. You do next to nothing for me. Tome does absolutely nothing for me. Two tomes definitely does nothing for me. None of the soups are good. That sucks. Feels pretty damn good. Oh. I honestly could tell you like one thing about roller coasters. Oh yeah, it's fast. Let's do this thing. Ugh. Now, do we do any damage to this guy? No, not really. We're fine. We're fine, right? This isn't looking too shabby, huh? Huh, team? Yup. Light work. Let me go... Bang! This boss fight is so freaking fun. Like, I don't think I can think of a single other... Dude! If I die here, I actually, like, cry. Cry forever, probably. Awesome. Awesome! We did it! Now this is the hard part for me. Dude, throw the bombs at the coin flop. Bing, bing. Get 'em, boys. It's all over. Eclipse 4 Commando is complete. You guys, if you want to talk in the Discord, we can do that. Like, chat. Like that. I guess. Whoops. Yeah, it's